Hello, this is Bruce Barkley once again coming to you from J-Tech Automotive Technology. And today I want to tell you a little bit about oil, how oil flows through a motor. First of all, you have your sump screen, or this is where the oil sump is. This is the bottom of the oil pan, and the oil is surrounded here. And this screen stops debris from getting into the oil system. And the oil goes in here and is sucked into this tube by the oil pump, which is located here. Okay, the oil pump drives the oil into your filter and then back out into this area of the crank down below here where my fingers are at. And what that does is it pressurizes the crankshaft and shoots oil all the way through the crankshaft. And that right there is where the oil comes out of the crankshaft to lubricate the connecting rod bearings for your pistons. Additionally, down here there's another shaft spinning in the gallery called the camshaft, and that is spinning in the middle of the motor. And what that does, how that gets lubricated, it has one main bearing that is in the oil gallery, and that's where the camshaft gets pressurized. The oil then flows through the camshaft, and it lubricates the lifters. It puts oil into the lifters. Then oil is plumbed up through the lifters and pushed into the valve, into the heads, and lubricates the heads. Once the oil gets up into the heads, there's pathways for it to drain down through these holes here. These is actually a return gallery that puts it right back down into the block and allows it to drip back down into the motor and fill up your oil pan. Okay? This is a windage tray. Keeps oil from splashing around inside of your inside of the engine, which could cause air to get into your system. That's undesirable. So this right here is where you're down in here. It's where you will find that. And then also we have this, which is a sending unit that tells us when our oil is low. And we also have one other component here, which is our oil sending unit, which sends us our oil pressure. And that is how oil flows through your engine and how your engine sends signals to your dashboard and lets you know that you got good oil pressure, and that's how it works. So thank you for seeing my video today.